Maybe I'll try to do a little something. Hey guys, so we just got back from church. And we got the whole gang this time. Let's see if we can. Yep. You smiling today? He would give me a serious face. Whole gang's here.
Where are you going to eat?
I don't know. You said Olive Garden, right?
Yeah, Olive Garden.
Well, I need to look at his menu because the little one is not getting no spaghetti today.
No. Are you being silly, Colin? He was not. Every time I put the camera on him, he would just give me the blank face. He was not fooling with it. I was like, okay, because I was gonna vlog us being out and about, but I was like, you know what? You just look unhappy. I'm not gonna put that up there. Put that up the street deal. I'm like, yeah. Little buddy wasn't feeling it. You been over there?
Yeah.
That time when I called you, you know, I had texted you. I was like, good night or something. I guess you forget and you don't have to tell me no more. So when I had sent you that
Attitude, that's nice.
you said, hold up. I'm still out. Like, oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, you was mad.
I sure was
You
mad.
gotta tell me when you make it home.
I said, since you can't seem to remember, you got something. I said, just don't worry about it.
I know you'll pop up on me.
I was salty, yeah.
What bar was you at? Okay.
Right.
That's an interesting charge. Right.
I was laughing at Kaden was like, looking at the camera. Like, what are you doing? Oh, there go your little spot over there where everybody know your name.
TGI?
And they always glad you came.
Bartender.
Yeah.
Mr. Bynes, we have a seat before you break.
Right. I bet it's all the female ones know your name.
It's probably a week.
Conveniently.
Time.
Wonder how long. I got the little snacks just in case it was like 30, 40 minutes. And I'll hold them over. Man, I don't know how long gummies gonna hold them over, but they do a little something. Oh, you look at the movie house. You still want to go later?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, I do. I heard it was good.
Really?
Yeah, somebody on my Facebook said they were shook. I want to be shook.
Tyler Perry movies, every now and again, he has a good hit.
Sometimes he's shaking. He be shaking. All right, guys. How you gonna request and you not gonna participate? Colin! You sleepy? You sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh my goodness.
You see. Can't make it look like it's laying down.
Oh my god, I can't. It's so cute.
Wait, you in a video?
Yeah.
Let me see. Like, what do you want to do? Why are we recording it?
Because I'll do that sometimes. I told you I have a YouTube. You might not like it because it's not as fun as the ones you watch. Because you like to watch people play games. It's so dark. The lighting's not good on my side. This is what I had. The lasagna
Tyler, wake up.
Chicken Alfredo. I forgot what you had.
Wake up.
Hey, the kid's stuck.
You need to wake up. I'm not trying to go to sleep.
Hey guys, so just left Olive Garden, sitting in the car, me and the little one, because he's taking a nap. Hold on, trying to see, you guys can see him. I don't know what it is. Oh, slumped over to the side. He's taking a nap right now. So I volunteered to stay in the car with him so they could run inside and go to Toys R Us really quick. Whew. Put this out the way. So yeah. But we went to church today. Went to I forgot the name of it, but it's like a really, really huge church. So just trying out different churches here because I am going to transition here towards the end of the summer before the baby gets here. So I really want to make sure every church that we join has a really, really good youth program because, you know, he has 2 boys and then our little one and stuff. So I want them to have a really, really good youth program to be a part of. So that's very important to me. And whatever church that we decide to go to, I know the next time I come here and we go to church, there's another place that I want to check out. So we'll see how that is. But yeah, this light is everything. But well, I'm gonna try to get a picture of my outfit before I'm trying to see if I can scope out somewhere around here. Since he's asleep, this is like the perfect opportunity to do so, you know. So I'm gonna try to see if we can try to snap a picture really quick